Hi everyone, how to create a Spark cluster in Azure Databricks instantly. Very simple and straightforward process. Let's understand how it is. So I'll take you to my Azure portal. Here we go. Let me just take you to my Azure portal quickly. Yep. Once you get your Azure Databricks account, you need to go to Databricks resource workspace. And here go to compute, left side cloud compute symbol is there, right? Go to compute left side and right side you see something called create compute. Once you go to create compute, here you need to give the cluster name or the compute name. I will say for example SQL School ETL Data Warehouse Cluster. Whatever cluster I am creating right now is an all-purpose cluster, meaning this cluster can be used for both debugging, executions, design, testing, everything. This is called all-purpose cluster. I'll be taking a separate video on the different types of clusters. One of them is all-purpose cluster in Azure Databricks. Policy should be personal compute, meaning it is actually intended for free accounts. If you are practicing Azure Databricks with 14 days regular free trial, then this is the best option to choose and your cluster should work. In case, if you get any warning here, saying like your service area or the region does not support the cluster type, in such a case, uncheck machine learning. And also try different node types. If one is not working, you see error, you try the other one. Usually standard version will work for V5 or V2. Try to do V5. If V5 is not working, go for V2 version 2 and terminate the cluster after say 30 minutes of inactivity. Here termination means pause the cluster and click create. Once you create the cluster, in our next videos we are going to learn how to use the cluster, how to access the cluster within Azure, how to access the cluster outside Azure. I'm going to show you practically in my next videos in this entire interview series. So what's the main purpose of cluster? For ETL, data warehouse, for the purpose of big data analytics, ELT activities, machine learning, data science, AI implementations, ML, machine learning implementations, and lot more. So here we are learning how to make use of cluster. And that's it from mine for today in this short video. And see you soon in my next video as a part of our Azure Databricks and Spark SQL interview questions. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care and all the best for your technical preparation and upskill activities. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.